want you to tell them, close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Let's go. Listen to Jared. Okay. Now ask what's missing. Open your eyes. Okay. Now say what's missing. What is it? No. How is that? Look. What's missing? What's missing? Something. The key card. Good job. Okay, Jared. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Tell them close your eyes. Wait, don't do it yet. Just hang.
And he's smiling.
Yeah, lovely. Okay. Okay. Tell them open your eyes. Ask them what's missing. What's missing? What's missing? The challah. The challah's here. Everybody always says the challah. The kippah. No, wait, it's not the kippah. What is it? The what? Tzedakah box. Excellent. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put Mommy and Daddy on the spot a little